Now previously we created this simple bed and breakfast website, so all the pages work just fine. What we're going to do now is go to the back end and we're going to delete everything and start again, and we're going to build a website from scratch. So the first thing I want to do is delete all my pages. So I go to Pages, All Pages, and then if I click here I can select all of them in one go, and if I click down here I can click on Move to Trash and then click on Apply. Obviously if you're using the option you have to be really careful because I've just trashed everything. Incidentally, do bear in mind they've not been deleted as such, they've been moved to the trash bin. So if I wanted to undo last action, let's say I'd made a mistake, I could click on undo, but in this case, nope, I actually wanted to delete everything. In the same way I want to delete all the pictures, so if I go to Media Library, as you can see I've got a whole load of pictures here, some that were uploaded by myself and some were uploaded courtesy of the pre-made layout. So I could do them one by one. I mean, I could click on here and then go to where it says delete permanently. Are you sure? Yes, it's gone. But if you've got a whole load of pictures like that, that's far too much hard work doing them one at a time. So you might think, well, okay, let's just do a bolt select and then delete permanently, but you notice that's grayed out. You can't do that. So I'll cancel that. So the way you do a bolt select is you click on this little icon here, and that displays them in a slightly different view. And if you want to delete absolutely everything, I mean, you could just go click, 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 or if you click here, that selects everything. If you want to delete all of these in one go now, I can go to where it says delete permanently, click on apply. It does warn you, so I'll click on OK to continue. So that got rid of basically a page's worth. You'll notice there's page 1 and 3, so what I'll do is I'll click here. Again, I'll go delete permanently, click on apply, and that's got rid of another page's worth. Then I'll repeat the procedure here. Go here, delete permanently, apply, OK. We've got one left, so I just simply click here, delete permanently, apply, OK. So now we kind of reset everything. We've got rid of all our pictures, all our media, and we have no pages. So the first thing I'm going to do is add some more pictures. So I'll go to Media, Add New. I've done this before, so I'm not going to dwell on it. I'll just go to where it says Select Files here. And I've got a lot of pictures here, so I'll just drag down, press the Shift key on the last one, select everything, click on OK, and they'll start uploading. So there we are, all these media files are now uploaded. If I go and click on the media library just to check, and I'll click here, there's all my pictures. So as you can see, these are nice pretty pictures. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a website to do with Thailand. I'm not sure if all of these pictures are actually about Thailand, but they certainly look like Thailand. So we'll use these in the website we're going to create. So we've uploaded our pictures. What we now need to do is to go to Pages, Add New. And we need to start creating some pages. Again, I'll just call the home page home page. Obviously, if you checked out my SEO course, you'll realize that the use of the word homepage is not very good from an SEO point of view, but we'll just use this for simplicity. Now, at the moment, I'm not going to use the Divi builder or anything. I'm just simply going to create some pages. So I'm going to create the home page. I'm going to click up here on where it says Publish. And you have to do it 2 times. So as you can see, that's now live. So if we go to All Pages, I've got the home page. It's not been created with Divi, it's just using the defaults, but we'll cover that in a minute. So I want to go and create some more pages. So I'll go to Add New. And we'll just create another page called About. And I click on Publish 2 times. And as you can see, that's now live. So if I go to All Pages, we've got the 2 pages. So let's go and create some more standard pages. So I'll click on Add New. And I'll go and create a Contact Us page. Again, using the name Contact Us is not great, but check out my SEO course and you'll see why. Anyway, I'll click on Publish 2 times. So I've now got 3 pages. I'll go and create some more pages. So I'll go to Add New. This time I'll just simply call it Picture Gallery. So again, I'll publish this. So if we go and look at all pages, you can see we've got the About Us page, the Contact Us page, the Home page, and the Picture Gallery. We'll go and create another page, and we'll just simply call this one Blog. And again, we'll click twice here. So it's now been published. So go back to all pages. There's my pages. Notice the home page is not marked as the front page anymore. If you remember, what we had to do was set one of these as the home page. Now I want to set this home page as the home page, if you see what I mean. Too many home pages there. So what I do is I go to Settings, Reading, and over here I click here and select a home page, which obviously would be called Homepage in this case. Click on Save Changes. If we go to the front end, you can see the home page is there. We now need to go and sort out the menu. Remember we did that before, so very quickly I'll go to here. All of these are invalid because we deleted all of these. So what I need to do is to remove those. So do remember, if you've got pages in the menu and then you subsequently delete those pages, remember to go back and adjust the menu like this. In this case it's full of invalid pages because we deleted them all. So just do that. Instead of bed and breakfast, we'll call it something different now. So I'll just simply call it Thailand. So I'll save the new menu. Then what I have to do is to move all of these to the menu. Remember, click on Select All, click on View All rather, click on Select All, Add to Menu by clicking here. And we've got that duplicate home page. Remember we did this before, so we remove that. We can then sort of reorder things slightly, so we'll do something like that. Click on Save Menu, making sure primary menu is still selected. Go back to the front end. So now we've got everything working okay. We've got the menu as we want it. Notice we got this sort of rubbish over here. More on that later. If you click where it says About, it'll take us to an empty page called About. Similarly, Picture Gallery is empty, Blog is empty, and Contact Us is empty. So now what we're going to do in a minute is to create content for all these pages and make a beautiful website all about Thailand.